When synthesizing sound, we must consider the way it develops over time. We call this property of sound its envelope. There are 4 stages in the life of a sound: attack, decay, sustain, and release. We shorten this to the acronym ADSR. The attack portion correlates to the onset of the sound, or how rapidly it increases in intensity. The decay period correlates to the drop in intensity immediately following the onset of the sound. The sustain period is the length over which the sound remains fairly constant, and the release describes the period over which the sound dies. By manipulating these ADSR parameters, we can greatly alter a synthetic sound and its impact within a mix.